In question 7, the equation we have to solve is x is equal to 4 by 5 times x plus 10. So we have the variable x occurring on both sides, on the LHS as well as on the RHS. Now as our first step, what we can do is we can multiply both sides of this equation by 5, which will essentially be the same as taking this 5 in the denominator on the right hand side and cross multiplying it on the left hand side into the numerator. So let's do that. Let's carry out this step of multiplying both sides by 5. This will give us 5x on the left hand side, and on the right side this 5 will be eliminated and we will be left with 4 times x plus 10. Okay, now in the next step, let's expand this product 4 times x plus 10. So we will get 5x is equal to 4 times x plus 10 will be 4x plus 4 times 10 will be 40. So we'll get 4x plus 40 on the right hand side. Now let's take this 4x term and transpose it to the left hand side so that we can combine it with 5x on the left hand side. So we will get 5x and the transposed term will be minus 4x because it was plus 4x on the RHS, so it will become minus 4x on the LHS, and on the RHS we will be left with just 40, and this gives us 5x minus 4x, that's x is equal to 40. So we get the value of the variable x as 40, we get the solution as 40. Now let's check whether this is correct or not by substituting this value into the original equation. So in the original equation, the left hand side is x, so that's 40, and the right hand side is 4 by 5 times x plus 10. So 4 by 5 times 40 plus 10. So we have 40 on the left hand side, and on the RHS we have 4 by 5 times 40 plus 10, which is 50. Now what is 4 by 5 times 50? So 50 by 5 is 10 and 4 into 10 is 40. So essentially we get 40 is equal to 40, and hence the solution x is equal to 40 checks out. This is the correct solution, and this completes question number 7.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.